How can my model primary key start with a specific number? Before ask this question, I have read this link. Is there a way to set the id value of new Django objects to start at a certain value? But I don't think the answers are good, so I mean, if in Django there is a configuration for achieve this?
The way is the same as to do data migrations with raw_SQL, change of name on your inside the created file.
My solution is to do it manually.
The solution is to set auto increment field length. After this, you can run this command on the database side. You can run this Python command by using signals. You can do this by different method. In Django, a model can't have more than one autofield. And this is used to set a primary key different from the default key.
For MySQL, add this in your migration file, replace table_name and start_value with your table's name and value with which you want to start.
Switch